Picture yourself in the 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Answer the call to adventure in refined luxury in the Grand Cherokee. It brings rugged versatility, advanced safety features, and passenger-focused technology along on every journey. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: power liftgate, electronic stability control, universal garage door opener, trip computer, power windows, ABS, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Take control of the journey in comfort and style. Get into the Grand Cherokee.